Hello and welcome to Capacity TV. My name is Saf Malik, Deputy Editor at Capacity. I'm here with Jaymy Teh, who's the VP for Go-To-Market Strategy for Telco Solutions at Proximus Global. Jaymy, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Jaymy, as satellite connectivity, particularly LEO constellations and direct-to-device services gains momentum heading into 2026, how do you see the evolution of the market and the shift towards hybrid satellite terrestrial networks reshaping global connectivity strategies?
Yeah. We are clearly seeing a shift from experimentation to real integration between mobile operators and satellite providers. Partnerships are being formed, being announced, and direct-to-device services are starting to move towards commercial reality. There is a strong momentum around direct-to-device over satellites, aligning to the GSMA 3GPP standards. This is critical because it aims to remove the need for specialized devices, and this will allow global scaling. This will also allow satellite to become a natural extension of the mobile network. We do not see satellite replacing terrestrial. It's not competing. Instead, what we are witnessing is the convergence between space and ground networks. Satellites becoming a complement to the terrestrial network. The hybrid model combining both ground and space will allow operators to extend their services to remote areas, will allow them to strengthen resilience, and also to connect to places where traditional infrastructure cannot reach. Okay? So global strategies are not about choosing between terrestrial or satellite. They are about building one seamless network, combining both. And the hybrid approach will definitely define the next phase of telecom evolution.
What are the biggest challenges satellite connectivity providers face today, and which will be hardest to overcome at scale?
So in our discussions with operator and satellite providers, three main challenges consistently come up. So first, technical integration, regulatory complexity, and commercial alignment. Okay? So from a technical perspective, operators tell us their priority is seamless integration. They want a smooth handover between terrestrial and non-terrestrial coverage, compatibility with the existing devices, that's key, and service quality that match the current mobile standards. Okay? For them, satellite must feel like a natural extension of their network, not a separate layer. On regulatory side, both satellite providers and MNO highlighted that spectrum coordination is important consideration for them. While satellite services are global by nature, certain regulatory framework still is managed nationally, so this can introduce complexity that requires coordination across different jurisdictions. And this may impact the pace of large-scale rollout, and that's key. Commercially, new business models are still being explored, still emerging, but it's very, very important to ensure sustainable model and a balanced model that will have balanced value for every ecosystem partners. What we hear most clearly is that innovation is welcome. It must focus on practical and monetizable use cases such as IoT, resilience, coverage, extension, maritime, mobility. The industry cannot rely on a vision alone. It needs viable business case. Ultimately, the hardest challenge is scaling the operational integration with mobile operators. In the case of roaming model, which is very secure, very reliable, and interoperable across many operators. I mean, when you roam today, it works everywhere, right? But this requires still coordination across the ecosystem, not just technical capability. And that depends on very strong and trusted partnership.
Where does Proximus Global sit in the evolving satellite landscape, and how does your approach differ from pure-play satellite operators and traditional telcos entering the space?
At Proximus Global, our strategy is very clear. We enable seamless global connectivity by bringing space and mobile together. Okay? Our focus is not just on technology, but it's also on customer experience. Satellite integration must feel seamless to the end user. It must deliver the quality, security, the reliability that people expect from the mobile network today. So we create value by simplifying complexity, especially when the integration model between satellite and mobile operators are using roaming technology. Okay? We provide instant global reach through our secured IPX network, which is powering roaming today between mobile operators. We accelerate time to market. We're ready to connect roaming. We ensure trusted roaming grade security and operation excellence. And we help our partner to monetize new opportunities in IoT, in mobility, in 5G. Our role is to reduce risks, industrialize operations, and guarantee service continuity so that satellite providers and mobile network can focus on innovation and growth. So in the end, our ambition is simple. One seamless network, one trusted experience anywhere in the world. Yeah.
And Jaymy, looking forward, which satellite-enabled use cases such as IoT, mobility, emergency connectivity, or direct-to-cell do you believe will drive the most sustainable growth for Proximus Global, and why?
Yeah. So serving the satellite segment is a core part of our long-term strategy. We partner with all types of satellite providers across GEO, LEO, and emerging VLEO constellation. So each orbit plays different role in the overall connectivity landscape. GEO continues to deliver reliable wide area coverage, making it well suited for stable and large-scale service deployment, while LEO brings greater responsiveness and accelerating opportunities such as direct devices and mobility-driven use cases. Emerging VLEO, which is pretty new, are expected to further enhance the performance and support more new, more demanding applications over time. We are a neutral player in this ecosystem. We do not compete with satellite provider nor mobile operators. We want to enable both of them. Our role is to support all use cases, basically, where satellite connectivity creates value for consumer or for IoT devices. So we provide secure, scalable interconnection, and we bridge the technological gap that is there, including voice and SMS interoperability. We ensure seamless service continuity between operator and satellite. So in summary, our ambition is simple. We connect everyone, everything, everywhere. And we also actively co-create with both established satellite players and new entrants. We want to continue enhance our portfolio to ensure that a seamless global connected world is possible.
Jaymy, we appreciate the time. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching Capacity TV.